In this tutorial, we will guide you through a series of effective exercises that you can do at home. Let's get started. First, let's focus on chest expansion. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and your arms extended to the sides. Slowly bring your arms together in front of your chest, feeling the stretch in your chest muscles. Repeat this movement for 15 reps. Next, we move on to home workouts specifically targeting the chest area. Push-ups are a great way to build chest muscles without the need for any equipment. Get into a plank position and lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push back up to the starting position and repeat for 3 sets of 12 reps. Now let's explore a series of no-equipment exercises that will help you achieve a wider chest. The chest press is a classic exercise that can be done at home using your body weight. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Hold your arms out to the sides and slowly bring them together, engaging your chest muscles. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. As we conclude this tutorial, remember that achieving a wider chest at home is possible with the right exercises and dedication. Incorporate these workouts into your routine and watch your chest muscles expand.